When I first signed up for StarHub GameHub Cloud, I wanted to see whether this platform could really compete with global cloud gaming leaders like GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming. The setup process was straightforward, and I appreciated that I didn't need to download massive files before jumping into games. The interface is clean and minimal, designed with easy navigation in mind, and it connects seamlessly with a StarHub account if you already have one. The initial dashboard shows featured games, categories, and subscription options. I immediately noticed that the platform emphasizes smooth performance for users in Singapore and nearby regions. Once I launched my first game, I focused on testing responsiveness and visual quality. The input lag was low enough for casual gaming, but noticeable during fast-paced shooters. The streaming quality automatically adjusted to my network, which is helpful for stability, but sometimes I saw slight frame drops during high-action scenes. The graphics quality is comparable to mid-tier PC settings, not ultra, but still impressive for cloud gaming. Game loading times were quick, and there were no long queues to access servers, which is a positive point for StarHub GameHub Cloud. The game library, however, is somewhat limited compared to other platforms. While there are recognizable titles from various genres, including action, racing, and RPGs, hardcore gamers might find the selection lacking depth. The subscription model offers flexible tiers, but the value depends heavily on how often you play. Occasional players might find it affordable, while daily gamers may notice the monthly cost adds up over time. The platform's performance is optimized for Singapore's network infrastructure, which means it shines locally but may not deliver the same experience abroad. The latency remains stable for fiber connections, but mobile data gaming still struggles with consistency. StarHub's integration with its broadband services helps reduce lag, a definite plus for existing customers. In terms of device compatibility, StarHub GameHub Cloud supports PCs, tablets, and some smart TVs. The experience on mobile was decent, although the touch controls felt clunky for some genres. Using a controller improved gameplay significantly. The platform's user interface doesn't overwhelm with unnecessary design elements, keeping the focus on accessibility and quick play sessions. Customer support is responsive, but primarily routed through general StarHub channels rather than a dedicated gaming help desk. This can sometimes lead to delays in resolving specific issues related to cloud gaming. During my test, I encountered minor hiccups when switching between games, where the session briefly disconnected before reconnecting automatically. Overall, StarHub GameHub Cloud feels like a promising regional option for cloud gaming enthusiasts, especially if you're located in Singapore or nearby areas with strong network connections. It delivers a solid streaming experience with stable visuals, low latency, and easy accessibility. However, its game library and advanced features could use expansion to compete with global platforms. If you value convenience and low setup requirements, it's definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed this honest breakdown of StarHub GameHub Cloud, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts about your own experience in the comments below.